Hello, is I'm audible? Is I'm audible? Okay, okay. So welcome to all my new series and Android Khalifa as the new series of Jetpack Compose. So today we will discuss about a new hot topic that is cropping the video in Jetpack Compose without library. Okay, so let's go on, and I'm going to open my notepad that what's the today's topic we are going to cover, and how the scenarios will be generated in the code of Jetpack Compose. Okay, so once again, welcome to you in the Android Khalifa, and if you don't like, share, subscribe, so don't forget to get the for the regular updates. You just subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, so today's hot topic is crop video in Jetpack Compose without library. Without library. Okay, so there are the libraries which are available. You can take the references of that one, which is available in the GitHub. So one of the popular library for that one you can use, which is okay. Just a minute. I'm audible. Yeah. So, like MP4 compressor named library which is available in that one. But today's topic we will not use any library, third party libraries, as we will make our own code which will help to crop the video in a smooth way. Okay. So what the library you can use if you don't want to use the your code, just com dot github dot masayuki suda. Okay, then mp4 compressor, mp4 compressor, mp4 compressor. Okay, so this you can use as for you can use as to crop and compress the video. Okay, so this library may work with some scenarios and may not work with some other scenarios. So today's topic as video cropping without library, we will use that one. But before that one, just look at out that how this GitHub library is going to work. Then we will start our. So I am just opening my Chrome and pasting that thing. Okay, it's going to be a low network. Okay, so you just check out that how this going to that document is going to be there. But in most of the scenarios, it is recommended that not to use the third party libraries as to make project without crashless. Like if you are dealing with the some big projects, and it some scenarios it comes like that these developers are the third party and they change something that may affect your the current scenario which you have applied in the project. Okay, so it is recommended that if you can use your code instead of third party libraries, so you can use that one. Okay, so let's go and okay, is my voice audible? Hello, is my voice is audible? Is I'm audible? Okay, let's go. So I'm going to open my project Android Studio, and the source code I will provide to you, and just to copy paste and check it out. But here I'm going to show you that how these steps is going to be work. Okay, so this is a dummy project which I have created in the Jetpack Compose. You are looking at out, here is the main activity, and here is something here is a boilerplate code already. I just what have to do here, remove all this, then I have created a function video cropper screen. Okay, so before go to that thing, you have to come with your build.gradle as an app module. So here are the some scenarios, like if you work with maybe you are using some Android older versions, or maybe you are using some new versions. So it may be a chance that your project is completely made with some dependencies like Android X Compose Material 3 1.2.0. But if you create some new projects, then in that it can be created like something like instead of material, what I have to do? Okay, it's a material 3. Okay, so material 3 is going to be shown in most of the devices, as they have newest version. So I will show you that in both cases, like in this cases how to write the code, and in this case how to write the code. There are the only some minor changes. Overall it will work fine in all the devices, in all the versions of Android. Okay, so let's go with that one. So currently I have like a compose material, I have not the material 3, so I have that one. So if you want that, you want to update, then you can change it to 1.7.1. Okay, so let's go with that one. Then after that, what I have to do, I have just created a video cropper type of Kotlin function, composable function. So here is the main thing. Okay, here is the main thing. So okay, I am going to minimize all the function as to look like some smaller way at how it will work. Okay, so this is the code. I will provide you the source code, but before that you have to know that how is it working, because if you just copy and pasting that code, that you may some confused that how is it working. Okay, so I'm going to step by step procedure, but before that I am creating a structure that how it will work. Structure. So first structure is like a button will be shown to the user. A button will show to user. Then as a next step, what will happen? I will pick the video from the gallery or the camera. I will pick the video from gallery / camera. Okay, so today we are working with the gallery section, because this is the most important section in the gallery. If you ask me that why not with the camera, because you can easily set the timer in the camera. Like if you want to pick like 10-second video from the camera, you can set the limit that one. Then after that your camera is going to be stopped, and the video is generated. After that, that file URI is going to be saved in a variable. Okay, so that is the easiest way in the camera, but there is a might problem with the gallery section, because suppose that if you want to pick a 10-second video, but in your gallery system there are the bunch of videos which are maybe like 1 hour videos, like 2-minute videos, 2-second videos, and like different scenarios. Okay, so in your gallery maybe a different timeline of the videos. So how you can achieve that one? Like if you just pick that video, suppose that you have picked a video which is a 1 hour, so on that basis that 1 hour will be picked, not the 10-second. So how you will handle that one? So I will use the video cropper system. So here comes that video cropper system. Okay, so what the advantage of video cropper? Suppose that you have fixed that I have to pick only a 10-second video from my gallery. So when I pick the video of 1 hour, then after that a cropper will be shown to user that yeah, that's the maximum limit is a 10 second. You cannot pick more than 10 seconds. So there is a useful way of like time limit. Like in a time limit you can crop the video and upload the file in your server. Okay, so this is the most important part. Then some of the people will ask that how will suppose that I have to pick a 10-second video, but most of the scenarios maybe the size problem. Like size problem is how that suppose that some we have a different devices, and different devices have the different cameras. Okay, so different cameras have the different quality of capturing the videos. Okay, so it may be sometime if I am picking a video which is a 10 second, that is around 200 MB larger, or maybe 1 KB larger. Okay, it depends on the camera quality. Okay, so how you will deal with that one? You just what will you have to do? You just find out that I have to pick only the 10-second video. Then firstly you have to convert that file size into 10 second. That means if I pick so if you will little bit research on that one, upcoming videos I will show you that how to set that one. But this is not the today's topic. Today's topic is we are going to be crop and compress the video without library. Okay, so let's go with that one. I'm going to explain the code. And so what these steps? So first step, firstly the button will be show to user. Then second step, I will pick the video from gallery and camera. Then third step will show in media 3. I have used the media 3. You can use like video view or several things. Okay, so I have used the media 3 ExoPlayer. Then after that, Ranger capture. I will use the Ranger Ranger type by which I have to by which I can easily capture the start time and end time that I want to capture from the video. Then Ranger capture. Then after all that, if the video is captured, I will load that same video in my same media player. Okay, load in same media player. Okay, you can also use if you want to show that video in the different layout, you can also do with that one. Okay, main point is capturing the video, picking the video, and set the limit of 10 second. You can set any limit. Okay, not necessarily like you have to set only 10 second. You can 10, 20, 1, whatever you want. Okay, so let's going to open my project. Is I'm audible? Okay, so this is my project like video cropper. So as first step, what I have to do, I have to define a URI by in which when I will pick the video, on that time the URI of the video will be saved in my that variable. Okay, so these, if you are the new or freshers, you can check out the videos of Philip Lanker as for strong your basics. So basically this is a way to defining the variable in the Jetpack Compose. Here I am defining a URI in that I have assigned as a null value. Okay, as you have done in your Java or Kotlin project, that if something is URI is going to define, then by default some value is going to be assigned in that one. So same way I am using like picked video URI and assigning a value of null. Now another thing I have to set where duration millisecond, remember mutable set of 0L. Okay, so here one thing you have to take care that what thing. Yeah, so if you are using so this I want to recommend you, please watch complete videos. Okay, not only copy paste complete video. So because here every steps is important for everything. So here is a material only, not the material 3 version. So for that one you just have to write the code something like this, which I have written material material. Only for the material this code is enough. This code is like what? You have assigning a value of 0 L as a video millisecond, like minimum should be a 0 second video should be. Okay, then if you want to use if you are using a material 3, you can add like the same thing, video duration second. So instead of remember, you can use like mutable long state of, and mutable long state of. Okay, then this is the way, like this is not showing right now because I have the material only, not the material 3. Okay, so carefully watch every steps. Like if you have the material 3, then use this video duration millisecond by remember, then mutable long state of 0L. Okay, so I am going to comment this one. Yep. So this is the point where I said the like video should be a 0 second. Then after that I am setting the 2 variables. Is there any error still showing? Yep. So here I have defined the like 2 intervals, like start time, what will be my start time, and what will be my end time. Okay, so if you want so this is a like 0 will be my start time by default, and 10f means there is a like floating value which is around 10 second. Okay, so it's a 10 second 10 second is the end time. Start time is 0 second and end time is 10 second. If you want to change the value, like if I want to pick the video which is around the 20, 30, any range. Okay, so in the complete code, you just control find 10f and replace all the 10f with that one. Okay, replace all the 10f. So mostly only the 210f is using in that code. So replace your all max range you want to define in that one. Okay, now yeah, ensure minimum duration is at least. Now another variable I have defined like max duration second. What it's work like, sometime it happens like if you share any GIF image in your WhatsApp, like some emoji type, then that GIF image is going to be saved as a video, but that video is around something less than 1 second, so as to like handle the crash, and remove the crash, just defining like max duration, that at least it should be a 1 second. If it comes with 1 second, then I have handled that one. We can also deal with that one. But before that one, I have ensured that my app is not crash when I range pick as below the video which is less than 1 second. Okay, so this is a major bug which is not solved in most of the libraries which is popular in the GitHub. So this is the way. Then next one, I have defining the video picker launcher, a variable where the functionality is going to be work as dependent on the lazy column. Like how in the lazy column, basically what I have did, I define a like button, as in the notepad I have shown to it. A button will be shown to you up. I will pick the video from gallery and camera. Okay, so as on click of the button, here is the video picker launcher where I have defined the value. It is like if you have used like in the Android or in Java or Kotlin, there is on success result. There, if result is okay, then you get the URI. So same way is going to be happening is on here. If the button is going to be click on here, then I am getting the URI. But here once again I am handling the condition if only video is allow video 1 second or longer. If one video is 1 second or longer, then yeah, you can continue with that one. Either just it will show a toast message, the please select a video at least 1 second long. But this is the worst scenario. Okay, there may be some devices may be problem, but I have also handled that you can also crop the video like which is below the 1 second, like in the milliseconds. In the milliseconds you can also crop that one. Okay, I have also that one. So just simply what I have done, just I have created the value in that one. URI I have passed, which is the URI. URI is like the path which I get, which I picked from my system. Then video duration mills, like here is a like something duration mills. Then what will be the video duration? So here I have defining a function which will define it that the what the duration of the video, like if I pick that 30-second video, so how I will know that this file is going to be a 30-second video. So there is a method that I have defined, get video duration. I just click on that one, and below that one is like this one. Okay, so this is an effective way. You just check out, like extractor media and media type key duration by default is 0L, that means 0 seconds. So this is a way you can get the video second, like how larger the video timer is. Okay, then after that one, we just duration, here is I am handling the proper that one. Then max size is going to be I am setting in the video duration in my variable. Okay, so start time is 0, then end time, here I have used the like simple math logic. Suppose that I am ranging like so it's a simple logic, like if I am my first point is like I want to crop from 10 second to 25 second in 20 second in the video limit of 30. That means the before 10 second is going to be minus out from so last I have only the 10 second is before 20 second is going to be left out, then last I have 10 seconds. So see, it is a simple logic that one. Then this is a like lazy column I have used that one. Yep. So lazy column like maybe a chance like for easily scrollable. So if you are well known about that one, then I have created a video picked URI. Video picked URI. So all time the like which is the variable of this one is going to be changing all time. Okay. So if I will open that one, here is the code, like firstly what will shown to the user. Firstly user shown as a video player text. Is I am audible? Once again going to check one. Okay, is I am audible? Okay, so yep. So this is the text which will be shown that like video player. Then I have created another function which will like load my video player. So before going downward, I am just going to minimize all these things as to easily understand every line of the code. So I am going this video player. Here I have created a function also, composable function. Here I have passed like URI of the video which I have picked, start time, end time. Then this is the player which I have defined. This is a way which you have used like media player. For that one I have used these libraries, media 3 player libraries. Okay, so this was the library which you use if you don't want to use like a code. So you use that one in the further videos. I will also make video in that one. Okay, but in this code I am not going to using this library. Okay, so let's get back in video cropper Kotlin file. In here I just use a launcher effect as I have used a like delay. As for a smooth transition, when I pick the video, then it's going to be several other things. Okay, and by default I have set the background color of the video ExoPlayer as a white, but in some cases it shows the some black which looks some awkward. So you can change also the color, you can also, so several other things you can search out. Okay, I am player view, so several other things you can search out. Okay, so so here I just what have I have done, I have just whatever I have picked the file, whatever I have picked the file, just load in the video player. Then I have just add the spacer, then another t text. Then this is the important part. All thing is going to work with the range slider. Okay, in the range slider, one thing is important. Like if you are using the material 3, then instead of values you have to add the value. Okay, you have to add the values if you are using the material 3. So I have not the material 3 in the project, so I am just using this one. Okay, values is going to be like s. So on value change, how it works, like there is a simple code which new start and new end. It basically defining the 2 points or 2 dots, what will be my minimum time and what will be my maximum time. So they are the 2 dots which are going to initializing on here, and this is a simple condition that the new end should be greater than, like end time should also be the greater than our start time. Okay, so then after that there is a simple logic. Here I have set as a 10 10 10, which represents like I have to set the limit only the 10 second. So if you want to change any other values, I have to set the 20 30, any range you can setting on here. Okay, 10 10 10. Okay, so you can set on here. Then here is another I have use which I have told you, for